Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Hustle channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe because, let's be honest, we both know you're going to love this. Today we're talking about how retirees can make money without leaving their comfy recliners, thanks to Sparky AI. Sparky AI is designed to help retirees earn effortlessly by leveraging technology. Let's dive in and explore the benefits. Retirement doesn't mean you have to live off discounts and early bird specials. In fact, this is the perfect time to start earning passive income while still enjoying life. Sparky AI makes it possible to generate income without breaking a sweat. Because let's face it, we don't want to. Imagine having the freedom to travel, dine out, and indulge in hobbies without financial stress. With Sparky AI, your golden years can truly be golden. Join the community of happy retirees who are making the most of their retirement with Sparky AI. Meet Sparky AI, your personal virtual assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and never asks for a raise. Whether you're tech-savvy or still figuring out how to send a text, Sparky AI has your back. Setting up Sparky AI is a breeze. Simply download the app, follow the easy setup instructions, and you're good to go. Sparky AI can help you manage your schedule, remind you of important tasks, and even entertain you with jokes and stories. Imagine having a reliable assistant who is always there to help, making your retirement even more enjoyable. With Sparky AI, you can focus on what truly matters, enjoying your golden years to the fullest. Sparky AI does 4 key things that make life and making money easier. Lead generation, onboarding and training, sales and networking, and automated marketing. Basically, it does the hard work so you don't have to. For example, Sparky AI helps retirees generate leads by identifying potential clients and opportunities. It also provides comprehensive onboarding and training programs to get you up to speed quickly. Additionally, Sparky AI facilitates sales and networking by connecting you with a global network of like-minded individuals. And with automated marketing, you can reach your audience effortlessly. With Sparky AI, you can focus on enjoying your retirement while still making money. It's like having a personal assistant that handles all the tough tasks for you. Finding new business leads can feel like searching for your reading glasses, frustrating and time-consuming. But Sparky AI does it all for you. It finds high-quality leads and contacts them automatically. It follows up like a persistent relative reminding you about Thanksgiving dinner. It keeps messaging leads until they either sign up or ghost you. No feelings hurt. Sparky AI ensures you never miss a potential client. It tracks responses and schedules follow-ups. Imagine the relief of having a steady stream of interested clients without lifting a finger. Sparky AI makes it possible. Spend less time worrying about leads and more time enjoying your retirement. Let Sparky AI handle the hard work for you. Once you have new recruits, the next step is training them. And let's be real, teaching people can be exhausting. Luckily, Sparky AI takes care of that too. It provides step-by-step onboarding. It sends training materials straight to recruits, so you don't have to explain things 20 times. Sparky AI also offers interactive training sessions, where recruits can ask questions and get instant feedback. This ensures everyone is on the same page and ready to contribute. Basically, it makes sure everyone knows what they're doing, so you don't have to babysit. If you dread sales pitches as much as awkward small talk at family reunions, don't worry, Sparky AI's got you covered. It delivers customized sales pitches so you don't have to. It makes leads feel special without you having to remember their birthdays. It expands your network without you having to attend another awkward networking event. Sparky AI also provides tips and examples for effective sales pitches. You'll learn how to engage your audience and close deals with confidence. Plus, it offers networking strategies to help you connect with the right people. With Sparky AI, you can grow your business without the stress. Now let's talk about the coolest feature, the dashboard. It's like a financial command center that makes you feel like a Wall Street genius. It tracks all your leads, income, and marketing efforts in one place. It gives insights into what's working, so you don't have to guess. You can manage multiple revenue streams without breaking a sweat. The dashboard is fully customizable to fit your unique needs. Set your financial goals and track your progress effortlessly. Receive real-time notifications and stay updated with the latest financial news. Analyze your investment performance and optimize your portfolio with ease. Oh, and did I mention it works globally? That means more money, more opportunities, and more reasons to book that dream vacation. It supports calls in 26 languages, coming soon in version 5.0. So yes, even more ways to say, sign up now. You can earn commissions from people worldwide. You can get paid in Bitcoin, USDT, and good old-fashioned cash. Sparky AI users from around the world have shared their success stories, showing how they've benefited from this amazing platform. So whether you're looking to supplement your income or fund your next adventure, Sparky AI has got you covered. Retirement should be about enjoying life, not worrying about money. With Sparky AI, you can sit back, relax, and let technology work for you. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to make money with AI. See you in the next video. Our users love Sparky AI. Stay tuned for future updates and new features.